Hello everyone, this is Hazik Kirmani and this is one more problem from Kinematics 11th that was asked in JEE 2027, JEE Advanced. So it is given that expanding sphere is there, basically a sphere is there, it is expanding. So basically the radius is there, the radius will be expanding, isn't that? The total mass remains constant, okay? And expansion is such that the instantaneous density remains throughout the volume, uniform. Okay, so the density is not scattered, it is uniform throughout the volume. The rate of fractional change is constant, so this term is constant. The velocity v at any point of the surface of the expanding sphere is proportional to. What is the velocity v? You will say, sir, that velocity v at any point of this sphere is what? dr by dt. That velocity is dr by dt. Basically the change of this with respect to time. That is the velocity, fine. And what is density? We know that is mass. Mass is constant divided by volume. What is volume? 4 by 3 pi r cube, fine. And this term is given, that is constant. What is this term? First of all, find d rho by dt. What is that? We'll say that is m divided by 4 by 3 pi. This r power minus 3, isn't that? R power minus 3. So what is the differentiation of r power minus 3 with respect to time? That is minus 3 r power minus 4 into dr by dt, chains rule, fine. This is d rho by dt. And what is this entire term? D rho by dt divided by the initial density, isn't that? So this term, and it is given that is constant. What is constant? Constant is this term 4 by 3 pi into minus 3 r power minus 4 into dr by dt divided by this, fine, m divided by 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this and this goes, and r power 4 is there, na? Can we say r power 4 is there in the denominator? R power 4, can we write instead of r power 4 this r power 4 here? So r power 3 and 4 goes, isn't that? So basically this is nothing but what? Constant is minus 3 dr by dt, and 1 r is in the denominator, that is left. Other thing goes, isn't that? What is the speed proportional to? We know the speed is dr by dt only. That dr by dt, that speed, can we say that speed is r into minus 3 into constant, isn't that? From here can we say that speed, that dr by dt is proportional to r, so that should be our answer, so it is here. I have told you this thing already. If in kinematics, physics, advanced tries to bring in calculus, the problems become really easy because they have shifted the level of difficulty from physics concepts to mathematics, and when they do that, you cannot really make a problem difficult in terms of mathematics in physics. So that is a good point for the aspirants. I hope you share and subscribe, and so that I complete the series. Bye bye.